Welcome to DocR. Join us on a journey to transform your business with the brand new DocLibrary Plus, an amazing tool fantastically integrated into their software. It revolutionizes efficiency and offers all the benefits of document management in an easy-to-use package. Unlike expensive traditional systems, it's designed to feel custom-made for any business. DocLibrary Plus streamlines your operations, offering simple solutions for saving and managing critical information securely in the cloud, ensuring compliance. Thanks to being cloud-based, access your information quickly from any device, safeguarded by top-notch security, implemented by your DocR consultant. DocLibrary Plus automates approval, review, and processing tasks upon document saving, boosting efficiency, reducing errors, and making task management easier. This demo shows how employees efficiently handle business information with tools like eForms and Microsoft Office integration. With DocLibrary Plus, simplify your work and focus on more profitable tasks by eliminating inefficiencies in administrative processes. Today, we'll showcase DocLibrary Plus with a speedy approval of an employee expense form. We'll demonstrate how to easily capture and store data using the eForm solution in DocLibrary Plus, and show how quickly you can perform workflow tasks and access information. We'll wrap up with a look at key features such as the dashboard, Microsoft Office integration, the mobile app, and how to capture data directly from websites with embedded eForms. To conclude, we'll summarize key points, explore more automated workflow options, and discuss how you can access this cost-effective information management solution. Let's dive in. Take a look at how efficiently Kelvin inputs essential information, his name, the date, selects an approver, and crafts a message to maintain a personal touch. He proceeds to attach the necessary documents swiftly and submits the form. This action initiates a workflow notification to Brad, which we will demonstrate shortly. Once Brad receives the email, he hops onto Microsoft Outlook. Thanks to the magic of the therefore dynamic web viewer, with a simple click on the link, approval processes become a breeze across different platforms. Peeking into Brad's process, we see that the moment he clicks on the link, something cool happens in the therefore dynamic web viewer. It kicks into gear immediately. With everything set up, Brad dives into reviewing the attached documents. He can quickly see all information he needs, before reading over any notes and making the big decision to approve or reject the expense form. Watch how quickly Brad accesses the expense form in DocLibrary Plus from the dynamic web viewer. We can see the 4 libraries, but with its intuitive design, we know to search in the HR library. The HR library lets us easily search for an employee, allowing for both broad and precise searches. Knowing he needs an expense form, Brad refines his search with the employee's name and expense claim. In just a blink-and-you-miss-it moment of less than 2 minutes, we've zipped through saving files, activating workflows, ticking off tasks, and fetching documents. It's like giving your organization's daily grind a turbo boost of efficiency. Now that you can picture the game-changing prowess of DocLibrary Plus with something as routine as expense claims, let your mind wander to the realms of possibility for all those other document types and processes currently bottlenecked in the slow dance of physical trays or the endless loop of email inboxes. What DocLibrary Plus does is simple yet revolutionary. It kicks those old-school hassles to the curb, catapulting your operations into the future and unlocking precious hours for what truly matters: getting things done. And just before you think that's all, let me sprinkle a little more magic your way. Imagine effortlessly embedding eForms for data capture right on your website, seamlessly saving files with a whisper of Microsoft Office magic without even having to open DocLibrary Plus, and having the power of the mobile app in your pocket for supreme access and task management anywhere, anytime. Not to mention our fantastic dashboard. It's all about making your life easier. Now, let's get into these amazing features. For this, we're going to show you how we use it to reap the benefits ourselves. We'll use an example of how our clients raise a support ticket through the DocR website. We're super proud of it, so please don't forget to check it out. First, our customer heads over to our homepage, they find the link for support, and click it. This directs them to our support page, where they fill out a form that's seamlessly integrated and embedded into the page. Submitting this form raises a ticket with our support team, enhancing efficiency and reducing errors, ensuring swift resolution of their issues. It's also tied against the customer record in the customer library within DocLibrary Plus. Another cool note to make: when things are all tied together, it not only makes accessing records easier, but, as a data processor, it allows us to meet GDPR regulations by quickly deleting all data tied to a data subject. For the Microsoft Office integration, we're going to stick with our support ticket. For those of you that use Microsoft Teams, you'll love this. With the integration enabled, you'll be notified each time a new task is assigned. You can action tasks swiftly, even while on the go. Look here as our team are able to see, via Teams, when a new ticket is raised. A checklist is displayed, showing the steps to be taken, and then the task can be easily processed once complete. The workflow then requires a follow-up, so that the team contact the client, let them know they are going to close the ticket, and to check that the solution is working as expected. The support team then choose one of the 3 options to close the ticket, and voila! All of that without needing to open their and use up a license. And guess what? If you're using desktop apps like Excel and Outlook, there's a magic button in your toolbar. With just a simple add-in, you can effortlessly save documents. And get this, a quick right-click on files sitting on your desktop lets you save them in a snap. Pretty cool, huh? So, we've all dabbled with Office for crafting documents, right? And you've seen how seamlessly you can save and manage those documents. But every so often, they need a little tweak. Let's dive into how effortlessly you can edit files. Recall that expense claim we looked at earlier? Here it is once more, take a peek. Oh, looks like Kelvin slipped up on the date, but hey, no stress. Thanks to the Microsoft Office integration and the nifty dynamic web viewer, we can pop the document open in Excel, spruce it up, and save the updated version in no time. And here's a neat trick. After saving, we encourage our users to drop a quick comment about the tweaks they've made. For keeping track of changes, it's a real game changer. It's also important to note, while someone is updating the file, it's temporarily locked, or checked out, to prevent further changes. You can see here that once the user checks in the file, the version number changes from 4 and is now 5. The changes are recorded, including the user who made those changes, for absolute clarity among teams. Let's jump in and explore the wonders of DocLibrary Plus on the go. Adding and fetching documents is just the beginning, it's what elevates the mobile experience to dazzling heights. But hold on. The real enchantment unfolds with the mobile app's task processing capabilities. That's where the magic truly comes alive. When a task lands in your lap, you'll receive a notification like this, tailored for iPhone users. Android users, fear not, your experience might be slightly different, but equally intuitive. Expect a prompt from the Therefore app, nudging you to tackle a task right within the app. And if you're a Microsoft Teams aficionado, there's a notification waiting for you there too. No stress, you won't be double handling the same task. Swing open the Therefore app and you're all set to access documents and breeze through tasks. With a few taps, approve or reject, pass the baton to a teammate, or sprinkle in any extra notes. Opting for Teams? Seamlessly process your task right within the app. But if your curiosity is piqued, tap a View to launch the dynamic web viewer on your mobile browser. This is your gateway to dive deeper, check out the details and process the document just as smoothly as before. Now, for the grand finale of our demo. Let's dive into the dashboard. Seamlessly integrated into our dynamic web viewer. Imagine a command center, personalized just for you, where everything you need is right at your fingertips. From task lists that keep you on track, to search bars that help you find exactly what you're looking for, e-forms for quick data entry, and even drop zones for effortlessly saving documents into DocLibrary Plus. And it gets better, you can visualize your productivity with graphics that show you exactly where your time goes, making every task an opportunity for improvement. And that's just the appetizer in our feast of DocLibrary Plus delights. It's been quite the journey already. Just think about it. We've dived into so many ways to scoop up information effortlessly, marveled at the strength of our automation capabilities, allowing you to skyrocket productivity, and discovered how seamlessly it all clicks together with the apps you already know and love. Collectively, it gives you a seamless information management solution, full compliance enablement, with all tasks and documents sitting nice and tidy, accessible within a few clicks. But guess what? There's a treasure trove of awesome features waiting for you to discover. Imagine capturing documents effortlessly with Uniflow integration by scanning them directly into one of 4 libraries direct from your printer or scanner. And that's not all. You'll also get alerts for document reviews or cleanups when including a review date upon saving the document. Plus, with pre-configured searches, finding documents by customer name, employee name, or document type is just a click away. It's all designed to make your life easier. Think of jazzing up areas like client and employee onboarding, handling orders, approving invoices, and much more with our workflow engines. Customize and automate any process to fit your organization, making everything run smoothly. In today's fast-paced world, don't get left behind. Get instant access to files, track documents, and boost task efficiency. Contact your DocR consultant for a dedicated service focused on your success. Enjoy a simple, cost-effective solution designed to meet your business needs without straining your budget. Thanks for exploring DocLibrary Plus with us. We're excited to start this journey together.